Hello students, now we start exercise 1.3 of chapter 1, number system. Now in that, first question is, write the following in the decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion is. What kind of decimal expansion is. Now here there are two kinds, means two answers are there. Now already in this exercise simple division is to be there, which you already done in the primary section. So when we divide one number by the another number, then the possibility is what? That after some steps the remainder becomes 0 and the procedure of the division stops there. So this type is known as a terminating. Terminating means finite. End is there. The answer comes. End of the division is already there. Which type we call as a terminating. The second type, that is non-terminating. When we divide and the answer is coming and coming and coming, no end, then it is called non-terminating. And if after division, some steps of division, if the same group repeats, then we call it non-terminating and repeating. So let us start the first question and find out the division first, and then after what type that we answer. So the first question here is 36 upon 100. 36 upon 100 is 0.36. So answer ends here. So it is terminating. Now we take the second question, which is 1 divided by 11. So 1 we write as a dividend and 11 we write as a divisor. Now we start the division procedure. As you know, 1 is here, 11 is here. So number is less than this one. So therefore, first of all, we apply a point, then 0. And so now 10 we take. Then also it is not coming, less than 11 only. So therefore we apply after point 0. Then we take one more 0 here. So now the number is 100. And now 11 9 ja 99. The remainder is 1. 1 0 we take down. But then again 10 is here, which is less than 11. So we apply 0 here. And then after one more 0 we take down. So 100. And 11 9 ja 99. 1 left. 1 0 we take down. So 10, which is less than 11. So once again we apply 0 here. And then one more 0 we take it down. So 100. And 11 9 ja 99. 1 again. And this way the procedure continuously start. And so the answer coming is what? 0.09090909 dash dash dash. Means up to infinite it goes. So 1 divided by 11, that we write as a 0.09. And over that we apply a symbol of a bar. 0.09 bar, it means 09 is repeating. So what type of it is? Non-terminating repeating. So this division is non-terminating and repeating. Now we start third question, which is 4 integer 1 by 8. So which is equal to 8 4 ja 32 plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 33 upon 8. Now we have to find out first the division, and then after we have to answer whether it is terminating or non-terminating, recurring. So it's very easy question. Anyone from your side? Fourth one, in which 3 divided by 13. So 3.0000 we apply, and as a divisor we take 13. Now we start the division. As you know, first of all, here is 3, so we apply 0 and point. Now 30, so 13 to ja 26. 4 remainder, 0 down. 13 3 ja 39. 1 remainder, 0 down. But now it is 10. Outside is 13. So 10 is less than 13. We apply 0 and then 0 down. So 100. Now 13 7 ja 91. 9 remainder. 0 down 90. Now 13 6 ja 78. 0 minus 8, for that we take 1 here, carry forward, 8 remains here, 10 minus 8, so 2, and 8 minus 7 is 1. We take 0 down, 120. Now 13, 9 ja 117, 3 remainder, 0 down, 30. Now 13 2 ja 26, 4 remainder, and 0 down 40. So 13 3 ja now 39, 1 remainder. Now see, here is the 1 remainder. Once again we are getting 1 as a remainder. It means the remainder repeats here. So the answer also repeats from here. So the answer now dash dash dash. So what is the division answer for 3 by 13? That is 0.230769, and then it repeats again. Therefore we write it as a bar here. So 0.230769 bar means non-terminating repeating. Now we see the next question, which is the fifth one. 2 divided by 11. So 2.000 we write, 11 we write here as a divisor. Then we start the division. So 2 here, so 0 and point, 20 now. Now 11 1 ja 11, 9 remainder, 0 down. Then 11 8 ja 88. Then 2 remainder, 0 down. Then 11 1 ja 11. 9 remainder, 0 down 90. Then once again 11 8 ja 88. 2 remainder. So this way these remainders are repeating, and therefore the answer comes continuously, that 1818 only, and therefore 2 upon 11 is equal to 0.181818 dash 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 means 0.18 bar. So non-terminating repeating. The last question, that is divide 329 by 400. So we don't divide directly by 400. What we do? 329 divided by 400 we write as 329 and divided by 4 into 100. Now we divide first by 4. So 329.000 we divide by 4. Then we start the division. 8 4 ja 32. then 0, 0, 9 we take down, then 4 to the 8, 1 remainder, 0 down, then point is here, so point we apply, then 4 to the 8, and so 2 is the remainder, 0 down, and then 4 5 ja 20, the remainder is 0 here. So when we are dividing 329 by 4, we are getting the answer 82.25. Now 82.25 further divisible by, here we have to divide by 100. And so the point 1 and 2 digit comes here. And so 0.8225 is the answer. And so it is terminating. Okay.